With the increasing cases of COVID-19 in the country, informal settlements are now the spots for failing to adhere to the stipulated containment measures and likely contributing to the spike of the COVID-19 cases. Now, today, Kenya recorded 74 new cases of the virus, and 35 of which were reported right here in Nairobi. Helen Aura now reports.
While the government is working on contact tracing, it says informal settlements are now posing to be a challenge.
Many Kenyans from informal settlements are at risk of more cases of community transmission in those areas, as reported.
We know that there will be great challenges in trying to contain the spread of the virus, and particularly in maintaining social and physical distances in some of these places. To be able to move in very quickly and to try to contain by isolating those that are infected.
Over the last few weeks, mass testing has been conducted in several parts of the city with heavy focus on Eastleigh, Kawangware, Kibra and Lang'ata. And the more the tests were conducted, the more the infections rose. But while the rapid rate of community transmission worries the government, what is even more worrying is that Kenyans continue to give false contact details, slowing down the pace of contact tracing. This has been linked to the stigma associated with the virus and the perceived costs, prompting the government to say that it will foot all associated bills.
I want to remind us all that the behavior of the infection curve, the trajectory that this curve will take, is totally dependent on our behavior as a people. Each of us has a role to play. Adopting responsible social behaviors to break the transmission chain of the virus is of vital importance.
Today, the total number of positive cases in the country stands at 1,962, with 74 new cases. Nairobi recorded 35 cases, Mombasa 23 cases, Kiambu County 2 cases, Kwale 2 cases, Kajiado 2 cases, Uasin Gishu 1 case, Kilifi 1 case, and Laikipia being the latest county recording 1 case. 14 people have been discharged today, leading the total number to 474. 1 person died today, leading the total number of deaths to 64. Today marked the last day of mass testing in the Eastleigh area in Nairobi, which has been under containment for a few weeks now. While a good number of people turned up for testing, most didn't, citing fear of quarantine, stigma, and lack of finances. Helen Aura, NTV.